All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Haggle. 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 When people try to agree on a price. On a price, yeah, £10. No, £9. Okay, £9.50. £9.40. Okay, £9.40. £9.40. How cool is that? So I like to haggle with my clients, but they don't often haggle with me. He always haggles with them. She thinks that haggling is old and not worth doing anymore. Not worth doing. No. Haggling. Yeah. How cool is that? So I, they, he, she, it. It is an old technique that you can use when haggling. Yes, it is an old technique. How cool is that? I often haggle. Yeah, I don't often haggle, but when I do, it is for a cheaper price. Yeah. We like haggling over the cost. Yeah, so sometimes we can find them haggling in the market. Yeah, sometimes they're haggling. Depends. So he haggled with them. So she haggled with her because she really wants a good price. Yeah, very good. Why isn't she haggling? Why isn't she haggling? Why aren't they haggling? What have they got against haggling? Why aren't they haggling? What have they got against haggling? How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think they will want to haggle? Yeah. Not everyone wants to haggle, and that they expect you to accept the first price that they offer you. Yeah, sometimes haggling is not really a thing, nor is it allowed. Not really, just here's the price, pay it or don't. That's it. How cool is that? Yeah, so haggle. Yeah, haggle. Okay, so can you use haggle in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you could find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.